Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Today's recipe, I'm going to be making for you a nice pan-seared fish recipe using haddock. I'm going to be making a nice sauce with it. Also, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing after checking out this video. If you like this recipe, I hope you become a subscriber after watching. All right, with all that being said, let's get to this recipe. Alright, so before we get started with this recipe, let me throw some gloves on. Also, as you can see, I'm not at home this time. I'm actually at my place of employment. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I'll also be using heavy cream and a few things for garnish. Into a hot pan, which I have right here, going in with a little bit of olive oil. So right here I have some seasoned flour. A little bit of salt, pepper, paprika, a little bit of cayenne. Take my fish, my haddock, dredge it right into the oil. As soon as I put it in, I'm going to shake it a little bit, turn my heat down a little bit. Don't want it to cook too fast. I just want to get a nice crust on the outside. Alright, as you can see, it's starting to get brown around the edges. So now I'm going to give it a flip. Alright, so that's what you're looking for right there. About another minute and it'll be done. And then I'm going to move that to the side. Alright, y'all, at this point, the fish is kind of thin, so at this point it's already done. But that only took about 2 minutes tops. Alright, so now going in with my red onions. Going in with some chopped garlic, about half of this, about a half tablespoon. Saute that up a little bit, get those aromas going. Gonna blister up some grape tomatoes real quick. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm going in with my capers. Now I'm going to deglaze with some white wine. Now I'm going in with a little bit of lemon juice. And about a quarter cup of heavy cream. Just stirring that up, blending those flavors together. Just giving it a quick taste. So now I'm just going to let this reduce down a little bit, thicken up a little bit. It's almost where I want it.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go in some butter. And now I'm just gonna stir this butter in, and that's gonna make the sauce nice and creamy. And you just pretty much stir it till the butter is pretty much melted, and blend it in with the heavy cream. And that's gonna give you a nice sauce. Nice creamy sauce for the fish. You can use this on chicken as well. You can use it on pork. You can use it on vegetables. Alright y'all, so just gonna plate up the fish real quick. Just chopping up some parsley for garnish. Some flat leaf parsley. Got my plate. Get my fish. That nice cream, that nice caper sauce that I made, and then just right over the fish. And really, I only threw the tomatoes in there for color, and I use red onions for color as well. But you can keep the red onions out. But you gotta have the garlic and the capers. Alright, let's throw a couple of lemon wedges up there real quick. And that parsley I chopped up.
Alright y'all, so we've come to the conclusion of this video. That's the end of the recipe. So I want to thank you for watching. Like I said, it's a pan-seared fish recipe. I use haddock. You can use cod. You can use tilapia. You can use salmon for this. Alright. You can omit the tomatoes and the red onions, but to me they add nice color. They also add a little vegetable flair to it. Alright, but definitely you got to have the capers, the heavy cream, the white wine, the lemon juice. That brings the sauce together. Trust me when I tell you. Alright, with all that being said, I just want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload more cooking videos like this one. Also, let me shout out a couple of channels of Gallia the Sun and also a Mama and Papa Joe's Barbecue on YouTube. Alright, they've been friends of the channel for a while. Also, let me shout out cooking creators on Facebook. With that being said, I catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.